OpenAI, ChatGPT has already helped millions of people to find what to buy. Now it can help them buy it too. They're introducing instant checkout in ChatGPT with Etsy and Shopify and open sourcing the agentic commerce protocol that powers it, built with Stripe. And so more merchants and developers can integrate agentic checkout. This was one of the big things I think a lot of people have been thinking about for a long time are what's going to come next into ChatGPT. Is it going to be ads? Is it going to be shopping? Is it going to be I don't know, a variety of things. Is it going to be like agentic things, proactive background agents? So we're starting to see all of those actually come to fruition, and this is going to be instant checkout. So we can actually watch this works. Maybe we actually want a bit of sound too. So that's cool. So we've got Stripe in the mix here, and I think what's going to be happening, they're going to be passing through a whole load of traffic. Have you ever seen any of the traffic stats that have come through from websites in general? That ChatGPT and are actually driving a huge amount of traffic and high intent traffic from ChatGPT itself to these websites. And now with shopping, they're going to be driving direct sales, which is going to mean they're going to be getting a nice little cut of all that revenue going through. We say instant checkout is now rolling out to US ChatGPT Pro Plus and free logged in users buying from US Etsy sellers with over 1 million Shopify merchants coming soon. Merchants interested in joining can learn more and apply here. Now, we've actually got the full blog post too, which I wanted to share and read through because there's some interesting stuff in there also. It's here. So turning chats into checkouts. Millions of people will use ChatGPT to figure out what to buy. Now with instant checkout, they can buy directly from you inside those conversations. Powered by the Agentic Commerce Protocol (ACP), an open standard built by OpenAI and Stripe. Instant checkout makes it simple for merchants and developers to connect with shoppers and grow sales. So yeah, this is all about meet your customers where you are. If people are spending a lot of time talking with ChatGPT, then to leave that experience to go and buy something from a website or to navigate out to get a product to go and buy it, that's obviously going to be higher conversion rates if you actually bring that right into the conversation and meet the customers exactly where they are, which is inside of ChatGPT a lot of the time. Convert chats into sales. People already come to ChatGPT for product ideas. Get discovered organically. Product results in ChatGPT are ranked by relevance. Merchants appear when their products match a shopper's query. It's free to be discovered, and you only pay a small fee when a purchase is made. Nice. Stay in control of your systems and customer relationship. Instant checkout is designed to connect, not disintermediate. So, yeah, taking somebody outside the experience to go and buy, they can just do it directly within ChatGPT. You remain the merchant of record with full control over orders, payments, fulfillment, and customer relationship. And here's a bit more about how it works. Shoppers search naturally. ChatGPT acts as a personal shopper. People describe what they're looking for, a durable carry on for under $300. ChatGPT recommends the most relevant products from across the web. Any merchant can be discovered. Products are ranked purely on relevance to the user's query and context. Instant checkout items do not get a boost in product rankings. Buyers can compare options in one place. Once a shopper finds a product they like, they see where it's available. Merchants are ranked based on availability, price, quality, whether they are the maker or primary seller of that item, and whether instant checkout is enabled. Even if you don't enable instant checkout, shoppers still see a direct link to your site, but enable it makes the conversion faster and more likely. I wonder if they get a cut if people don't use instant checkout. That'd be interesting. But there was all these one-click checkout startups over the last few years. And it seems like this is in line with what they were trying to do. So they've just obviously gobbled the whole thing up. Customers can buy directly from you. Buyers confirm order payment and shipping details and tap pay merchant, agreeing to your terms. You accept or decline the order, process payment, and hand fulfillment all on your existing systems as a merchant of record. Payments are seamless and secure. They can pay with credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Link by Stripe. For Plus and Pro users, ChatGPT can pre-fill shipping and payment details to speed up checkout while still letting them review or edit before purchase. Payment information is handled securely by trusted payment providers and passed directly from buyer to merchant. So the merchant is owning the whole post-purchase journey. You can send the confirmation email and own the full post purchase journey, fulfillment, and returns. Shoppers can see their orders in ChatGPT and track them on your site. Instant checkout does not allow merchants to sign customers up for marketing emails from orders placed through ChatGPT. Cool. This is a bit about the agentic commerce protocol. We've talked about agents a lot on these streams, and they're obviously going to be very big. It's basically an AI enabled automations agents that can go out across the internet and perform actions, and now they can perform payments. The agentic commerce protocol, I think this is in partnership with Stripe, is an open standard that enables AI agents and businesses to transact seamlessly. It works with your current systems and scales as agentic commerce evolves. ACP is simple to integrate, flexible across payment processes and platforms, and future ready for the next generation of AI powered commerce. Already powering merchants like Etsy, with Shopify and more coming soon, ACP provides the foundation for how AI interfaces handle shopping. Stripe users can enable payments with a single line of code, while businesses using other processes can connect through their shared payment token API or ACP delegated payments. Not sure what that is, all without changing their existing system. Okay, cool. To get started, you can apply to join Instant Checkout, prepare your product feed according to their specs, build your checkout integration using ACP. If you're a merchant on Shopify or Etsy, you're already eligible. So they've already done the hard work for you. I guess a quick way to do this would just be to set up your store on Shopify and then hook it up that way. And then you've got a merchant application form here too. What I think is going to be really interesting with this is that we're seeing with ChatGPT or LLM based like SEO efforts that it's kind of not winner takes all, but if you're not in the top search result as like an answer engine, then you may as well not really exist. So when it's said about if you're the original producer of the good, if you are, say, a drop shipper and you're trying to sell somebody else's stuff, you may actually just be deprioritized or ranked lower than if the original seller's on there too. So I guess that is probably the case anyway. But if you are a hotshot SEO, then you might be able to rank above the original seller, etc. Or long tail keywords. I'm not an expert in that, but this seems like a winner takes all scenario for the best and highest ranking products. Here's the application form. You want to integrate your products into ChatGPT, instant checkout, and you can see a preview of the checkout experience here. Have we seen that? Yeah, this is just another post by in ChatGPT, instant checkout. This is the video that we watched. And then this just goes on to explain more about how it works. You don't have to read that one too. If you do, it's available on the Open AI blog. But yeah, I was waiting a long time or to see when shopping inside of ChatGPT would drop. And yeah, it looks like it's here now. So I presume or predict this is going to be a fairly hefty new revenue stream for OpenAI. So kudos to everyone on the team that worked to get that out. Kudos to Stripe as well for doing the payments and Shopify for getting that hooked up.